Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here kind of 14 is given. You have to guess why there are different kind of protons are there. Why the compound has two different types of chemical shift in the NMR spectra. The answer lies in the aromaticity. If you look at 14 aniline, you have 14 pi electron because it has 7 double bonds, so 14 pi electron. It will come under 4n plus 2 pi rule where n is 3 and it is definitely planar and it has alternative single and double bond, so it's a conjugated system. So the compound is aromatic. If the compound is aromatic, ring current will be diamagnetic. The hydrogen inside the ring current will feel low chemical shift, outside feel high chemical shift. Since the CH3 is inside the ring current, it has low chemical shift which is minus 4.1. Outside proton have higher chemical shift because of its desealing region. Due to the aromaticity, the compound 14 aniline has two types of chemical shift. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.